USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope one more time until I finish this civil justice sign off for this robocall civil justice. Please be patient, okay? Yes, my dear fellow mankind, it is because I'm signing off this ongoing, very crucial, very important civil justice sign off for myself, and it is because United States of American nation with fatal negligence created a robocall poverty mandate and enforced poverty to me and enforced finance disability to me and also created finance debt to me. So that is the deadliest crime of USA. That is why United States of America nation is handcuffed mode. Okay, and I'm signing the civil justice sign off is a multitasking. So we all are in same page on that regard, right? So I will keep reading this civil justice fast as possible to keep the session short. So for I, Vedapriya Pro Se, proved scandal of absolute monarchs and proved Pope Francis is Roman Empire King hero as of February 2021. Any salary as in tax free billions of dollars USA government can provide effective immediate using the direct deposit to my bank account. I am Vedapriya Pro Se, native Indian tribe, Israelite tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide can help me. So scandal phases of Republica Europe nations worldwide is Republica SARC 8 nations never it is like number 8 that comes after the number 7. There are 8 nations in SARC nations, okay, but they never educated. USA Republican government can never enforce poverty, and USA can never create robocall poverty mandate. Why Vedapriya Pro Se, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor and true civil supreme judge, and it is fatal negligence of SARC 8 nations to be fatal negligence. Either USA government should say knows who is Republica SARC 8 nations, or either USA government should say don't know who is Republica SARC 8 nations. So what is the error? The SARC 8 nations created the robocall poverty mandate, and it is a deadliest crime as of February 2021, and it comes under the classification of domestic violence, and subclassification is breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, causation and injury, battery and types, assault and types, and false imprisonment and types, trespass to land and types, trespass to chattels. So I, Vedapriya, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, own the text for ongoing civil justice sign-off that is provided for myself. And the Republica SARC 8 nations with fatal negligence failed to educate USA cannot create robocall poverty mandate, and by default created Republica USA robocall poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Pro Se, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, and a true civil supreme judge, and Republica government GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh in October 2018 enforced poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Pro Se abruptly on October 2018, and Republican government of United States of America took away $4,500 on October 2018 abruptly and enforced finance debt of $10,210.38 since October 2018, October 2019, October 2020, and as of today in February 2021, and also enforced finance disability to I, Vedapriya Pro Se abruptly. So it is a crime for Republica SARC 8 nations when ruling USA never educated. USA should never provide enforced poverty to I, Vedapriya Pro Se. So civil justices, I, Vedapriya Pro Se, want Citibank CEO of USA to pay off my debt in full, that is $10,210.38, and sign off tax-free $4,500 direct deposit to my bank account, and each of SARC 8 nations must sign off tax-free $1,000 billion each to be total of tax-free $8,000 billion for 8 nations are there in SARC 8 nations, and for all types of damages done by selfish, cunning, Islam, Judaism, absolute monarchs types, wild endangered species, and health creators, and direct deposit to my bank account, and at fault and found guilty, Holy Highness God of USA, Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis, and Republican government of USA will provide the needful guidance accordingly. And I, Vedapriya Pro Se, for civil justice, as in Holy Bible guidelines, I want the United States of America to rename the Lord Ripon building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name as Vedapriya Civil Justice Served. And I, Vedapriya Pro Se, to become the Vatican leader is civil justice served. And Pope Francis to resign abruptly is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Pro Prose to become the Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations of civil justice served, and I, Vedapriya, to become the Civil Supreme Judge of Family Law Judge for all nations of civil justice served, and I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Global Poverty Relief Medical Director for all nations to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Family, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Import Export, and Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations starting with India is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya, to get the dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And yes, my dear fellow mankind, one more time, civil justice wins always is the wisdom, okay? And I sure will get the civil justice for medical compensation for all the human kingdom. First, I have to get the civil justice signed off. I have to get the job offer signed off. I have to start the job, and I have to start providing the design solutions, right? So that is why the civil justice is signed off in front of all the nations. That way I would get everything, all the rightful salary, rightful national benefits, rightful job offer signed off, because I should be the leader of Vatican, and I should be the leader of USA, and I should be the medical director for all nations, and I should be the supreme judge for all nations, and I should be the supreme family law judge for all nations, because I am displaying all the scandal and all the USA government operations, and any finance aid that can be provided by USA government immediately for that alone can help me as well, because I am unemployed, I need finance, and I want all the rightful help that must be provided only by USA government to me. Okay, so that way we are all in the same page, and this is a multitasking as well, right? Because I'm displaying the true criminals to USA government. That is why it is very crucial. The civil justice should be provided immediate, okay, without any delay. So talk to you all soon. Take care. Bye for now.